One day, a farmer was plowing his field, when suddenly, a goat fell from the sky. But this wasn't an ordinary goat. It was a flying magical goat. Helicopter goat. The farmer looked at the goat in shock. Then the goat winked and said, "Give me some chaat, and I'll show you magic hot pepper hash." The farmer quickly prepared some chaat. The goat ate it, and then picked up the farmer on her back, and started flying in the sky. They waved at people down below as they soared through the clouds. Waving hand sign, smiling face with open mouth and smiling eyes. The next day, the goat joined the farmer at the gym. Weightlifting, yoga, Zumba, everything. # flexed biceps. Then suddenly, the goat sneezed. And diamonds started coming out of her nose. Gemstone astonished face. The farmer was overjoyed. And the whole village celebrated. But, the goat became sad. Because still, no one had liked, subscribed, or clicked the bell icon. Loudly crying face bell.